In blended learning, access to content should be seamless. But what happens when students spend more time searching than learning? In conventional Moodle environments, students often navigate through long, scroll-heavy pages to locate materials, lab submissions, and assessments. This leads to confusion, inefficiency, and missed learning opportunities. To address this, CIM SmartHub was developed, an HTML-based interface embedded within Moodle that transforms navigation into a structured and intuitive learning experience. The SmartHub acts as a centralized dashboard, allowing students to access key learning components such as topics, online classes, lab activities, and assessments within 1 to 2 clicks. This eliminates unnecessary scrolling and reduces cognitive load. Each topic is designed using a flipped learning approach, where students engage with structured materials before progressing. The learning flow includes reading, video, practice, and self-assessment, creating a guided and immersive learning journey. Progression is controlled through a mastery-based mechanism. Students must complete and pass the self-check assessment before unlocking the next topic. This ensures that learning is not skipped, but achieved step by step. As a result, students experience faster access to materials, improved engagement, and a more structured learning pathway aligned with course learning outcomes. CIM SmartHub integrates key educational principles including constructive alignment, cognitive load reduction, and mastery learning within a single blended learning environment. We didn't change Moodle, we changed how students experience learning.